If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Run all over town and back to home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine that gives you more control with its manual transmission. The anti-lock braking system will help keep you safe on the road. This automobile comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power windows, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, power steering, air conditioning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.